Oh, I need new oil. What a shame. Holy mother... Oh my goodness, dude. Bro, the one down the street is like 580, so we're definitely we're getting enough, all right? We're getting like half a tank. Quick 40 bones, less than half a tank. Nice, nice. Nah, this is clutch. Yeah, every single, nah, that's nice, man. Every single gas station needs that. All right, Apple Store closes in 40 minutes. We are 30 minutes away. I wish it really looked like that. We're gonna get a little bit of the sunset right now. This one's 30 minutes away is because every single other Apple store, even the ones in Texas and Dallas, San Antonio, Austin, they're all sold out of this specific model. Hey, everyone loves the MacBook Neo. It's not for me personally. I use the Pro, but it's a gift, you know? It's a nice little gift. It comes in pink, you know? She's gonna love it, so let's do it. Thank you, BRZ. Thank you. FRS? I don't even know, dude. They're all the same, right? What the? Guess it's not really a sunset. It's like, oh wait, it's like dusk. Couple minutes too late for the sunset. It looks all right over there, though. It looks all right. What's this guy doing? What the? What? That's nuts. That is nuts. No way, man. It's 7:30 on a Sunday. Why is there traffic? Holy shit, I did not see that guy, I'm not gonna lie. Nice, I'm glad I'm in the slowest lane, but you know if I were to go over there, then this one's gonna start moving, bro. It happens every single time. Alright, never mind, I lied. No way. It's really gonna happen. It's gonna happen right now, live. That's where I would have been. Does this guy actually need to get over? Should I be nice? This will be my good karma for the week. Come on over. 3, 2, yeah, you had your chance. I mean, you gotta do, yeah, it's the thought that counts, right? Nice. We're so locked. It's always the BMWs, right? Classic. See, now I got this waiting for me on the way back. No. Oh my goodness, it's really bad on the way back. What in the world? Nah. Back up to the Range Rover. I gotta get a sideways look at this. Oh, nah, see? Nah. That's something else. That's what's going on right now, huh? What? How does that make any sense, dude? Hey, I got out the way though. We're good. Car delivery? Congratulations. Unless they're getting towed, that would kind of suck. What does that say? Please use next entrance. Oh my, oh my. We got 13 minutes, boys. I think we're gonna be okay. I feel like the Apple store always stays open mad late. Like you can get there at 8 and there's still gonna be people in there getting helped and stuff. It actually sounds like it kind of sucks to work there, but my bad, guys. I'll quiet her down. Yes, the best parking next to the pole, brother. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Easy peasy. Lemon squeezy. Can I take this? Montana plates, classic. Hey, I told you, bro, this place closes in 7 minutes. Look how many people are out in here. Hey, here it is. I am getting the pink one. This barely looks pink. It almost looks like that one. It's like hardly a difference. This blue one is nice though. If I were to get one, it'd be this one. Hey, no light up keyboard. It's alright. Pretty much only good for browsing the internet and Netflix, but that's all my girl does anyway, so we're good. Hello, how are you? Thank you.
It's not recording me, is it?
No, it's not your face.
When you were walking in.
Yeah, I'll blur the face.
Can you delete it?
Sure. Sorry. Hey, easy peasy. Hey, it's looking cute. You gotta at least get the 512 with these because it comes with the Touch ID. It's a dub. Thanks for watching another one. You guys stay safe out there, stay dangerous, and stay sexy. I love you.
Oh my god.
Hey.
Seriously.
Craziest way to do it. You can just pull that little tab. Yeah.
No way. Feel it.
Oh, it's kind of light. This is nice. It should be charged.
Yeah.
Look at the mom.